Good morning everyone present here. I know it is not a warm morning, but I wish you a warm morning. Today we will do a presentation on our integrated project. So let's have a look on it. Our topic is natural environment, guided by Kashyap sir and presented by Dhruv Patel
and Keval Banusha.
What is natural environment? Do you all know what is nature? Everything present around us is natural environment. There are several types in it. Some of them are biotic and abiotic. So we will further discuss about them later. See, natural environment or natural world encompasses all living and non-living things occurring naturally, meaning in this case not artificial. Do you know what artificial means? Made by humans, not naturally or by God. It consists of two main factors, biotic and abiotic. What does natural environment comprises of? Oceans, rivers, lakes, atmosphere and climate. I have not mentioned, sorry, it's my fault. I have not mentioned lithosphere and biosphere. So
Biotic factors. A biotic factor is a living organism that shapes its environment in a freshwater ecosystem. Examples might include aquatic plants, fish, amphibians and algae. In short, biotic factors are living organisms which have life and want nutrition and ecosystem to live.
in fact, we all are biotic factors that affect the natural environment.
Role of biotic factors in an ecosystem. Biotic factors refers to living things. Thus, it is obvious that they need a certain amount of energy, food, nutrients, shelter, water, etc. and environment to function properly. They get their energy and nutrition from their environment. As nature provides us everything, shelter, house and our nutritious value. In an ecosystem, it is common that one biotic factor is dependent on another biotic factor to survive. As we see the food chain, that one biotic factor is dependent on the other, like the deer eats the grass, but when the deer dies, it decomposes and the grass again grows. Example, a deer itself is a biotic factor for predators. However, it depends on plants for survival.
Here is the image of biotic and abiotic factors present in nature.
Abiotic factors. An abiotic factor is a non-living thing but a part of ecosystem. It consists of climate, weather, mountains, rivers, etc. Examples might include temperature, light and water. In a marine ecosystem, abiotic factors would include salinity and ocean currents. Types of abiotic factors. As we talked earlier, sunlight, water, air, pH, temperature, salinity, precipitation and many more are part of abiotic factors.
So, what is importance of biotic and abiotic factors? As we all know, natural environment is composed of these two main factors. So, there must be importance of them in our life. Biotic resources include lifelong forms in an ecosystem. These life forms rely on abiotic factors as they indirectly affect growth, survival and reproduction. For instance, turbidity is an abiotic factor that majorly affects aquatic ecosystem. High levels of turbidity inhibit the growth of submerged plant.
Types of abiotic factors. These plants, trees, water sources, clouds are producers. They produce things like plant produce fruits, clouds, water, and many more. These are consumers. We are also called consumers because we consume the things that these produce. And
Decomposers.
these are decomposers. Bacteria, algae, these are all decomposers which take nutrients from dead plants.
And convert the dead natural resources into new ones so we can reuse again. Let's play a game in it. So take a look at it. Biotic or abiotic? So first picture, as you know, is of sparrow. So in which box it should go in? Biotic or abiotic?
Biotic.
Another, soil. So
Abiotic.
abiotic. Then plant, fish,
Biotic.
Temperature,
temperature,
Abiotic.
rabbit,
Biotic.
water,
tidal waves, sun,
Abiotic.
mushrooms,
Biotic.
rocks,
Abiotic.
wind,
Biotic.
and deer.
Biotic.
So, how was our presentation? I would like to have a review on it.
It was perfect.
Thank you.